Hey guys, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video. So today I'm in a beautiful Punta Cana and what I wanted to talk about is how I would build my e-commerce brand today if I would start from scratch, right? So basically what I would do is I would really focus on the fundamentals. So first of all, you gotta have a website that converts really well, right? So really I would probably put in at least 2 weeks just perfecting that website. And with the website also comes the product assortment, right? So that's the second point where I would really put probably even more time into than my website is the offering that I have on the website, because that's basically the fundamental piece of your business, the thing that you are offering to your customers, right? So you gotta have a really good value proposition for them to basically buy stuff from you. So first off, have an amazingly well converting website with all the right conversion rate increasing elements in place, and after that make sure your products are on point, right? And then thirdly, I really focus a lot on lead nurturing. I'm talking about this a lot, but most people when they think about e-commerce is that people just check out straight through their website. They add a cart, they fill in their details, and then that's it. But there are many people that are simply not ready yet to buy at that moment, but they would be ready to give you a call or send you a live chat message, right? So what I'm always really focused on, especially in the beginning with a new e-commerce brand, is to basically capture a lot of leads and that way convert more of those website visitors into paying customers. And there's even a software out there that lets you identify people on your website, identify their name, their email address and their phone number. So actually we're also developing a software system like that ourselves at the moment, but just like that, capturing as many leads as possible to convert those into sales just gives you free sales, right? And then fourth is of course the marketing. So first finish those three things, and once you've nailed these three, you gotta get people on your website that are looking for your exact product. So I always recommend to go with Google Shopping ads as well as Meta ads, so Facebook and Instagram ads. And both these platforms, Meta ads and Google ads, are just amazingly powerful in their own sort of styles, if that makes sense. So basically those are the four key points, with marketing being the very last one. Most people get really excited talking about marketing, but they have not nailed those first 3 points before that, right? So first focus on those fundamentals, and you will not see sales before starting the fourth point, right? But you gotta first do those 3 points to make your marketing as efficient and as effective as possible and get your return on ad spend as high as possible. So focus on these 4 things. So that is your website, product assortment, make sure you have better products than all of your competition out there. Like really look for good suppliers anywhere, like do whatever is needed, right? Fix the logistics. Then thirdly, focus on your lead nurturing to capture live chats, capture phone calls, text messages of people that are on your website. Put a lot of different widgets in place to basically capture all those different contact details. And then fourthly, focus on your marketing, which is Google ads as well as Meta ads. So yeah, hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions about any of those 4 specific subjects. I read all the comments myself, so feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, there's a link in the description talking a little bit about how we help e-commerce stores to just scale. So feel free to check it out if you have a problem with scaling your e-com sales. I don't mind if you click it or not. I just hope you basically got a way better understanding of how to grow your e-commerce store, right? So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.